This is another day. Let's look at what's happening on the markets. Let's check Bitcoin. I think the last time I posted a video on this, I spoke on what I was expecting the markets to do. So let's listen to what I said. Because the last time I think the market was around 108. So let's see at this level. So the market can decide to come back and then break through and go up. But basically that's what I'll be waiting for. And so yeah, if you are trading with, that's how I trade, right? So basically I'll be waiting for a second bounce at this level. So the market can decide to come back and then break through and go up. So I said I'll be waiting for a second bounce, and indeed this is the second bounce, happened yesterday. So at the time of recording the last time 4 days ago, I think the market was here. And so yes, indeed we've had the second bounce. This is the second bounce. So at this point, the question might be, do I short or do I long? So for me, with my trading strategy, at this point, the market is still indecisive. Okay, if you are trading the market at this point and then you are shorting or you are longing, I don't know what you've seen. But for me, it is still indecisive. Now, I'm going to show you what I'll do. So this is the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so I'll be waiting for a confirmation, either bullish or bearish. Now, after the consolidation, I expect the market to either pump or to sell. So after this consolidation, if within the 4-hour candle, it prints a long red candle, right? Then I'll be shorting the market from here to 101,000, right? Now, after this consolidation, if we see a bullish candle, okay, this way, right? If we see a bullish candle, then what I'll do is that I'll wait. Because normally, after the bullish candle, you expect the market to come back and retest this area. Once it retests this area and gives another bullish indication, then we'll take the trade from, we'll take a long from that point after the bullish indication, and then our short loss will be here. Sorry, our stop loss. I'm saying short loss. Our stop loss will be here, and then the take profit will be the recent high. So it will be that simple, right? So with this strategy, wherever the market is going, you are going to follow it. You are following the market. You are not predicting for the market. You are not saying, no, I want the market to pump, so because of that I'm longing the market. No. So once you see a bullish candlestick, you wait for a retest. If we see a rejection or a bearish confirmation at that point, then we know that the market has given us a double top, and it confirms our shorting strategy, right? So basically that's what we are going to do. Let me see what's happening with Ethereum. So that's with Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on with Ethereum. You know, sometimes you can check the altcoins, because sometimes it looks like the altcoins might let you know what's happening, right? So this is Ethereum. Ethereum chart looks very interesting. So okay, so if you check the Ethereum chart, it looks like, wow, that's quite interesting. Let's check the daily chart. I don't know when I drew these points, but on the daily time frame, you'd see that Ethereum has more like, there is some sort of a resistance area here, touched here once, twice, and then fell, came back down, and then now it's at this area. So yeah, basically with Ethereum as well, we are here. Okay, so you'd want to wait for a break of this area, right? If it breaks through, it means and then it retests the area successfully, it means Ethereum will be going to 3,700. One of my favorites altcoins, Telcoin. So let's check Telcoin as well. So Telcoin has been okay. So Telcoin has also been in this area for quite a while now, and it's quite simple. So you understand Telcoin. This is more like a bullish confirmation here. So if you are trading Telcoin, you know that it looks like Telcoin wants to pump to 0.006, right? That's that. Now let's check Gala. Gala is also one of one of my favorites. Okay, so Gala is also quite interesting. So with Gala is the region Gala is at right now is more like generational low, and so if you are buying Gala at this point, bro, I think Gala will pump. I think I've been saying this for a while, but whenever you check the Gala charts, it just speaks to you. It tells you that this token wants to pump. So you see, this is more like a double on the daily time frame. This is more like a double. So this is the support area, generational support for Gala, right? Generational support for Gala. Now see something here. So you see, there's a reason why I believe in my double bottom strategy. So look at what happened here. When Gala printed the first bottom at this area, September 2023, went back up and then printed a double bottom, right? Bottom. Hey, forgive me. So went back up and then printed a double bottom. So September, October. So what happened? After this double bottom, Gala went up. Bro, let me take the measurements. Where is it? Where is this to? The measurement to here, sorry. So after this double bottom, Gala went up and got to this level, was like 500%, over 500%. Gala went up, pumped over 500%, right? You are seeing it. When it printed the double bottom, it went up 500%. Okay, so look at what's happening here. Right here, this is the first bottom, right? April 2025. This is the first bottom, April 2025. This is the daily time frame. And then this is more like the second bottom, double bottom. And it is happening June 2025. So it looks like Gala really wants to go. The chart is screaming. It looks like Gala really wants to go. But one thing about Gala, anytime you feel like it wants to go up, it disappoints. It disappoints. But I'm just, from a pure analysis view, it looks like Gala really wants to go. It's going to print. And for me, I think the first point I think Gala will be printing to, the first point of resistance will be here, more like the neckline area, which is like 0.02. And then from then, I think it's going to go to 0.06. Unless something drastically happens with Bitcoin, because anytime Gala really wants to pump, something will happen with Bitcoin and then the pump is not going to happen. So if you check the altcoins, it looks like they want to go up, they want to pump. And so, but Bitcoin is the master, and Bitcoin is going to decide for all of us. So let's just hope that Bitcoin will just break through this boundary and then come back and retest it successfully, and then we will be having a party for those who believe, for those who are the pump boys. Okay. Anyway, yeah, that's all.